We got a 359 at 210 mile an hour, buddy. $359 at 210 mile an hour.
Hey, he said he wanted to bet, but he didn't say how much he wanted to bet.
No, hey, in the caprice. I was gonna draw the caprice, but the rain stopped there. I didn't want to be messed up in the rain. Yeah. Belt came off. This thing here ain't playing yet. Belt came off. Hey. Hey. Came to the track to see some light. Next thing I seen James Satterwhite. Goddamn belt broke off. Motor didn't stop, but it coughed. If he would've raced, he would've lost. I don't really know, but he the boss. I don't really know, but Rick Ross said that it cost to be the boss. Got bird rolled up in the intake. I don't know how much power it make, how much horsepower do it make, but I know the motor, but it will take a whole bunch of supercharging and the power, cause they working on it on every hour. Goddamn, the thing is really fuel injected. Going really fast, don't disrespect it. Hey, car, hey. Got giant set of white in the building. Another built in the back named Willing. I'm just glad all ain't spilling. Oh, we the track he killing. Hey, luckily he had a bar run. I don't know, but he'll stop soon. Hey, got the car painted all the way blue. Wiping on it all night too, cause it's clean, I could tell. Ooh-wee, I could tell. Got the engine diaper on the damn bottom. I don't really know where they got them. Hey, it need to be 3 inches up high. It's the cool satellite. Hey, it's the satellite coming through higher than the satellite. Yeah. Oh, hey. James Satellite, higher than the satellite. At Xtreme Raceway Park tonight. Belt just came out tonight. Sorry, Giant Satellite. Hey, got the double parachute. Hope that his car don't get loose. Bobby in the wheelchair, looking all around like he really care. Making all these other people stop and stare. Hey, y'all on my Lookout Racing channel? Look out. Hey, look out. This my Lookout channel. Y'all can look out.
You gave it to me upside down.
Yeah, that's it right there, y'all. Hey, what's up with it? I remember her. Look out. She in the building. Yeah, I already. She got an interview on my. You can check out her interview on my YouTube channel. Yeah, she popping. She getting everybody to know she got a car, y'all.